What is the Frye standard for personal injury expert witnesses? Imagine you're in a courtroom and an expert witness is explaining how an injury happened or why it occurred. How does the judge decide if that expert's opinion is trustworthy? That's where the Frye standard comes into play. It acts like a gatekeeper, deciding whether scientific evidence can be used in court. The Frye standard is a rule used to check if the scientific methods behind an expert's opinion are generally accepted by the scientific community. This means that before an expert can testify, their technique or method must be well known and accepted by other professionals in the same field. If the method is new or unproven, it might not meet this standard. In personal injury cases, expert witnesses often give opinions on complicated issues. For example, they might explain what caused an accident or how severe an injury is. Under the Frye standard, the court looks at whether the expert's way of reaching their conclusion is recognized as reliable by other experts. It's not just about what the expert believes, but whether their method has been accepted by the wider scientific or medical community. For instance, if a doctor uses a new way to diagnose an injury, the court will check if that method is accepted by most doctors. If it is, then the doctor's opinion can be considered. The same goes for accident reconstruction experts who use scientific techniques to recreate a crash. Their methods need to be accepted by other professionals before their opinions can be used in court. The Frye standard is different from other rules like the Doe-Burt standard, which looks at additional factors such as whether the method can be tested or if it has a known error rate. But in places that follow the Frye standard, the focus is mainly on whether the scientific technique is widely accepted. Attorneys in personal injury cases need to find expert witnesses who use methods that meet this standard. They often do this by showing that the technique has been published in scientific journals or used successfully by others in the field. This helps ensure that the evidence presented is based on solid, accepted science. Overall, the Frye standard helps keep expert testimony fair and reliable. It makes sure that only scientific methods that are generally accepted by the community are used in court. This way, judges and juries can trust the evidence they hear and make fair decisions based on proven scientific principles.